In this video, I am going to explain how to draw ellipse by concentric circle method. Let us draw ellipse of minor diameter 80 mm and major diameter 120 mm. So the first step is to draw circles of diameter 80 and 120 respectively. These are two circles. Inner circle is of diameter 80, outer circle is of diameter 120 mm. Next step is to divide both the circle into 8 equal parts. Draw one horizontal line and then using protractor divide both the circles into 8 equal parts. For division of circles, as we have to divide into 8 equal parts, we have to take angles 45 each. So 45, 90, then 135 and finally 180. These points with the center of the circles to get them into 8 equal parts. Now name the points. I have named points of inner circle as 1 to 8 and outer circle as 1 dash to 8 dash. Next step is to draw vertical projectors from the points of the outer circle and horizontal projectors from the points of the inner circle. So for completing ellipse, we have already obtained 4 points. Let us say this is the point P1, that is first point. Second point we will get somewhere here. This is point P3. Fourth you will get somewhere here. This is point P5. Then here you get P7. Now we have to obtain the points in between. For drawing these vertical projectors, set this scale, roll and draw scale, with the vertical line or vertical diameter of this circle, and then just go on moving to draw these vertical projectors like this. Then from the points of the inner circle, we have to draw a horizontal projector. Set roll and draw with horizontal diameter and draw horizontal projectors like this. So these 4 are the remaining points: P2, P3, this is P4, P5 is already obtained, this is P6, P7 is obtained, and finally P8. Next step, we have to join all these points by smooth curve. For this you can make use of French curve. For joining by French curve like this, we need more number of points. As I have divided these circles into only 8 equal parts, so I cannot easily join. So I am just showing you freehand, but just for the purpose of demonstration, you can just try to connect 3 points at a time. Like in this case, I can show you something like this. So if you try to connect these 3 points like P4, P5, P6, something like this. Similarly, you can then try to connect P4, P3 and P2, but as we can see, it may not look that smooth. That's why you need to get more number of points. If I divide these circles, both these circles into 12 parts, then probably you may get all the points properly. So in this case, I am just showing you freehand how to join all these points freehand. So if I start somewhere here, so this is the way I have connected all these points by freehand. If you use this French curve, then probably the curve will look more smooth. This is solution of the same problem by using 12 points. As we can see here, both the circles are divided into 1 to 12 parts, outer and inner both, and we can see the points opted in this case are more than in with 8 points. So this way we can join all the points smoothly by using this French curve. At the end, we have to do dimensioning of the outer circle, which is 120 mm. Only thing, we have to add symbol here as diameter is 120, and here also we need to add symbol of diameter, that is diameter 80. I hope you understood how to obtain ellipse by concentric circle method. Thank you.